Hello everyone. Today we are going to learn how to set up your own website with the help of WordPress. So let us learn how WordPress installation takes place. First of all, you will open your laptops, go to your net, see that your internet services are on. We click on the Google screen here and you type the URL www.wordpress.com. Here comes my wordpress.com. On the top, if you see, you have the option websites, right? So we click on that and get started. Now before you get started, if you would like to see, it is design a success story with a powerful website. So here you can set up your website now. You can customize your own domain name. You register for a new domain. If you already have your own domain, you can also point that to WordPress.com website. You can connect with your email too. There are certain themes given over here at WordPress.com. You could select any one of the themes that you like to see. And you could browse more themes. There are some more themes here. You could browse some more themes. You could take up any one of the themes. If you are a beginner, it would be nice if you can have a small theme depending upon why you want to select your website. There are many features that you need to create a powerful website. Certain features you will have to pay for. So you could choose your plan. There are certain plans here, personal plans, premium plans, business plans. But since we are starters and we are learning to set up our website, it would be nice if we could take up a free plan right now. Here there are frequently asked questions and answers. You could go through them and clarify your doubts if you have any. Right now, let us learn how to install a website for free. Now when I say get started, it will ask me, what would you like to name your site? Now here, I would like to name my site as maybe Bhavna. Okay. So you could write bhavna.wordpress.com and enter. Let us take up .com, right? So it gives me I would like to go in for free. It's given me a free. This is the free plan that I would like, best for students. Personal is best for hobbyists, but it is a paid plan. So right now I would like to take ₹0 for life. So I would like to take for free. Right? So this is the username that I have received is with a number. Alright. Now here it starts with my email account, that is bhavnadave14@gmail.com. I choose a password for me. It says bhavnadave14@gmail.com is not available. I could put another. Probably this I could get. I could enter a password. And as I continue, they've given me this is Bhavna Dave at mes.ac.in. I must have got a message right there. I check that message, probably with my Gmail account. Check. Let me verify my mail. And yes, I have a message where it says that it is activated. I confirm my email and I go back to wordpress.com, and here my welcome, it says welcome back. So here if you see, I have my site with Bhavna, my wordpress.com. This is my website. Now I can customize my site as I like it. I could upload a site icon, I could create a tagline. If you see, I could upload my profile picture, I could personalize my contact page, publish my first blog post, and that's it. So in this way, you could actually install your own website. That's done. I hope you all will enjoy creating your website. Thank you.